So I got this 13 Sonata here, and what they're complaining about, or they're concerned about, whichever way you want to put it, is when turning or hitting bumps, there's a clunking, which is very common for just any car when the part is loose. So what part that is this, what's on the other side, but I got from draining oil, is a sway bar link here, a light. So that's for turning. It kind of stabilizes the car so it's not, really leaning and, all over the place. So what happens is these get loose, and to check them for being loose, you put your hand on it and you're going to pull up and down and see if you can feel anything. If you feel anything, it's a little, little movement. It should be solid. There should be nothing there. The other side has a very little movement when I do that, so that's where the noise is coming from on this car. So we'll see what they have for a warranty or anything extended like that, and we'll get that replaced, and I'll show you how to do that. First thing we gotta do is take the wheel off here. This is you can get better angles. Here's the link in here. Nut. There's no good place to have this camera. So we got to take this off. That is 19. And at the bottom, and down here is 17. Right, so that's just spinning there. So I'm going to put another wrench to hold it. There we go. Let me show you what I was actually holding to keep it from spinning. See this here. See how it has the flat spots on both the sides? That's where I put the wrench on to keep it from spinning. Some have a little Allen key or another nut type you can attach to the end to hold it. So we got that out. Here's our new one. So tighten this up. Now we can move up the top one here. Now I did this one, the bottom one by hand, because I couldn't get my tool in there in the impact. So. There we go. The new one's in. That's all there is to it. Put the wheel back on. So everything back together. So let's go test drive it, make sure the noise is gone. And that'll be it. Same thing for the other side. The rears are roughly the same, they're just a lot smaller. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.